Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two AI app builder websites, which is Softr and Softgen. So we're just going to quickly dive into it to decide which of these AI builder machine can be a game changer for you. So let's get started. Talking about Softr, Softr makes app creation easy with its no-code drag and drop tools, perfect for quick building web app, dashboard and portal without technical skills. It's user-friendly, it also integrates smoothly with Airtable and Google Sheet, and also help business get online very fast. However, it's limited when you need deeper customization or full stack control. Softgen, on the other hand, use AI to generate the entire web app from a simple ideas to text prompt. It's great for startup and creator who wants fast result. It's powerful but still new, meaning fewer integration and less flexibility. So in my own conclusion, Softr is better for simplicity and reliability, while Softgen wins for innovation and speed. And that's it. So you can decide from which angle you want to dive into using any of these two AI app builder, and that's it.